All right, here we are, part 3 of modifying my Moto Guzzi V85TT, the 2021. So now I'm installing the exhaust system I just got. I've been waiting months for it. I ordered it from FS1 Racing out of Austin. I think that's the name of it. And here's the system I'm installing. And it's got a beautiful Y pipe right there. And this is a Mistral exhaust, and this down here is from Massmoto, which would fit, but I'm not using it because I needed the header pipes with the O2 sensors, and I'm eliminating that monstrosity right there. A lot of weight. This exhaust weighs just about nothing, and it's going on absolutely perfect. It's very, very high quality parts out of Italy. I'm using the carbon fiber exhaust. It's featherweight compared to the stock muffler that is right there. And the next steps, it's going on perfect. And the next steps are installing this twin boost to help the mapping. And I'm also going to do a couple modifications to the intake. Up here I eliminated the canister for the fuel tank vent because it feeds into the intake system. It can cause hesitation and pre-ignition. It's got some effects I really don't want. It also has air injection that's down in here, and right now I'm going to shut it off. And if there's no ill effects, I'm going to eliminate the whole thing. Take it off. Gone. Don't need it. I want less heat in this exhaust system. With the catalytic combustor, it was just way too hot. And the carbon canister for the overflow is way up in here of the fuel tank venting. And all these coils go right back in place pretty easily. Then if all goes well, I'm going to come back here to the intake and add a little more intake to it with this part here from a Honda. I'm hoping to fit it somewhere. Even if I shorten it and can get it into the intake system, I will. Give her a little extra air. This titanium system is very light. It's very easy to put on, and it's a huge improvement. I haven't run it yet, but I intend to soon, maybe tonight. And while you're doing all this disassembly and assembly, there's some places you use Loctite, and some places you use anti-seize. So something you can figure out. Getting into the wiring in here was a little difficult to get the plugs undone. So you take the regulator rectifier loose, and you can get in here and unplug everything you need to get the O2 sensors out. Otherwise, it's going really nice. I'm pleased with it. Look at this. Massmoto even gives you a mask. Boy, that's what's the world coming to. And yes, I like to do this to my bikes. Some people have criticized it. Well, I work hard. I don't collect government checks. So I have the ability to do whatever I feel like to my bikes and to other things. Okay, so that's it for this evening. I'll let you know how it goes.